Friends, daily by daily I make video in like this, because in first of all I used to speak amazingly. In this time I mean for not of camera. Friends, my mission is other things, and my mission is like this. I want speak fluently. Yeah. So because in some time ago I saw one video. Some time ago I saw one video that only 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes she speeched. Yeah. Only 15 minutes she speeched in English. Do you know how much was viewers? How much was viewers? 3 crore. Yeah. How much was viewers? 3 crore. Only 15 minutes she upload the video, only 15 minutes. So that you can imagine, for that you can imagine how much required, how much necessary, and how much peoples do you use in like this speech. Every people's want. The way I am making video, you know this matter, that in this time my video is not my video is not good, because my speech is not good. So in this time I am not uploading in video. I thought in like this I will make video, and first of all I will make habit in what kind of is happened in front of the camera. So in like this, first of all I will learn, and 1 month after, 2 months after, 3 months after, when all my hesitation will be removed, and any translate will be right, that time when some video I can upload. So friends, I am not putting the video, only this time I am making. Yeah, I am making. That's my habit will be improved. In first time already, you know, whatever work first time you will do mistake. Yeah, immediately when I used to speak in about in 3 days, in 1 month ago, in like this I am working as well as I am doing speech, but in this time I am in front of the camera, and in this time my habit is not improved. Yeah, my habit is not well, but 1 month after, 2 months after, when my habit will be well, in that time I will make in good video, and in that time I will upload in this video. In this time only I am doing making, but in this video I am not uploading video. So friends, whatever I am here, and I want increase, I want grow, because one things I know, about 4 or 5 days ago, I was watching one video. That video was Nawazuddin Siddiqui, like this. Yeah. So Nawazuddin Siddiqui, he was saying one matter, and he was explaining. There was many people. There was amongst people. Yeah, there was amongst people, and Nawazuddin Siddiqui was saying, and that matter I remind my mind that you have dream, you have ambition. Yeah, your dream, your ambition, and you felt itching. Who will rub? Yeah, you can understand this matter. And your body is happen itching, but please you tell me who will rub that. So friends, you can imagine like this, that and who will complete your dream, your ambition, who will complete? Only you thought about that. Another people's did not think about this. So another people's will not complete. You thought you have to complete that. So friends, I know this matter. In this world, there are lot of hard working, there are lot of problems comes to you. Yeah, so what kind of will be solve that, and you have to solve that first of all. In this time, as you are making video, in this time as you are speech daily by daily, and please you can say me, and you can think, and about 1 year ago one translate used to not speak. In this time many translate you can speak. How is happened? So friends, and solo by solo, in this time I am making video here, because there are no any people, there are no any peoples. You have to make video there will be many peoples. That time your hesitation will be removed. So friends, my target has daily by daily I have to make video, and daily by daily I have to upload one video, and we know this matter. In this time 1 year 2 years, my video in the more we know will not be years, but 1 year 2 years after, in that my channel will be grow. And so friends, you subscribe my channel and you like my channel, and only once time you press the button, subscribe button, your wealth will not be less. You remember what I am saying you. But any poor peoples and helpless boys will be grow only pressing one button only. If you will press once time, your in any poor peoples can be increase, can be grow, and his ambition can be complete. His ambition can be complete only once time you will press one button. So friends, in like this you think that and if your channel, your video, please you tell me, I will press that. I will press that. I have no any valiance. So friends, in first of all you clear the hard. You clear the hard. That's and when you will make your channel and any peoples, and if you help one peoples and any peoples, that and God will help you. If you want help each other peoples, and God wants help you. So friends, as far as minds come to knowledge, I want to explain you any kind of, we should learn this. So friends, in this time I am children's I am children's now. I am teaching the children's now, and after that my mission in I want open English speaking course in the market. In these things, one boy told me, in these things it is impossible, you can't do this. While unless I will not complete this, I will not sit silent. So friends, my time is over. That another in about yesterday, and tomorrow again I will make video. In this time you can say me. In that time, in this time I am making video. Any translate happen the mistake. So friends, we want to apologize because this is my first time. Yeah, in first time 1 day 2 days happening. Yeah, 1 day 2 days happening. About my target is daily by daily one video I have make. That yeah, it is did you listen? Did you listen in who peoples in daily by daily will try and that things will not be complete? No, it is I did not listen till now. In which way will you go? That way you one day you will complete. So in first of all you step, yeah, in first step in your foot please. And one day in I give you example. You suppose you want to go to in Muraro, but if you want to go to Muraro, that but you are going to buy food, but you are going to slow by slow, but one day you will reach that. But for that you have to think. For that you have to think. It is no so matter. One day you will reach that. So first of all you think that I want to go to there. So we should have big ambition. We should have dream. Amazingly we are living. We are living amazingly. We have no any dream. We have no any ambition. Like this my life is passing. Friends, it's should not like this matter. You have to think any matter. And like this I speak you in about I give you example. In this time I am speaking, many translate is mistake happening. In about 1 day and about one weekly ago, I used to make and I used to speak in like this. That time I was I had not camera. Yeah, I had not camera. In this time I am making video in front of the camera. But in some day, 1 weekly ago, I had not camera. But I am speaking amazingly. So friends, I have to say you that one boy told me that what is your ambition? Yeah, he want to become richest man from the world. Yeah. And first of all, we have to think how did the make richest man? And many people's was like this, that they had nothing. But nevertheless, in this time he made richest man. So friends, in like this you have to make. In this time, where are you? In about 1 year ago, one translate used to not speak. In this time, many translate in you used to speak. How is it impossible? Yeah. How is it impossible? So friends, in this world there is nothing you will get free. Remember one thing. And I give example. You suppose you go to market. Please you tell me any people's give you free anything? No. Every people wants money. In first of all you pay. After that my luggage you take. I will not give you free. Same things, bro. In success is more hard working. That in if you want success, that you will not get free. So for that you have to hard working. You have to wake up daily by daily, and you have to read for that. You have to writing for that. You have to listening for that. Amazingly, we will not get free anything in this world. And wherever you will go, and if this time you are doing business, in first of all you brings to that, and about 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees you will get benefit. Yeah. In how much difficult do you? Very difficult. After that you will get benefit. Amazingly, you are not getting benefit. So friends, same thing, bro. In this time you are hard working, that one day you will get success. And your speech and any people can call you, that your speech will be more preach. So friends, I want to say you, in whatever you are thinking you can do, but for that you have to hard working that. Amazingly, you are thinking, yeah, I want in richest man, but you are not doing anything, and you are so lazy man. There are no any peoples without you lazy man. When you are passing the life, and whenever you pass life, that you have to think, and every time you think in English.
Yeah.
So friends, my time is over, that I have to read another book, and I have many work, and I do the work. So in any translate is happen mistake, for that we want to apologize.